In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up Xero accounting data seamlessly. Whether you're a seasoned Xero user or just getting started, backing up your accounting data is an essential task that ensures the safety and availability of your financial information. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to open Xero. Take a moment to log into your account if you haven't done this already. Once you're in, you'll see the navigation bar at the top of the page. From there, look for the tab labeled Accounting. Clicking on this will direct you to a page brimming with your financial entries and summaries. Now, direct your attention to an option under this tab, called Accounting Data. You'll want to select this next. This section serves as the gateway to all the data management functions you might require, including exporting, which is precisely what we're after today. What you need to do next is search for the option labeled Export Accounting Data. This is the feature that allows you to safely download your data for backup purposes. You should be able to locate this easily. Just scroll through the options if necessary, and once you spot it, click on it to proceed. Once you've clicked on Export Accounting Data, you'll be prompted to select the product for which you want to back up the data. This step is crucial, as it helps Xero pinpoint exactly which dataset you wish to download. Be sure to select the correct product to avoid any mix-ups. After choosing the product, you'll then need to specify the date and time range for the data you want to export. Think of this as setting the perimeter for what data will be included in your backup. If you want a comprehensive backup, you might consider selecting a wider date range. However, if you're only interested in recent transactions, you can select a narrower range that fits your needs. And just before you finish, you'll notice options for more detailed configurations. Xero allows you to fine-tune the specifics of your data export to make sure you're getting exactly what you need. Don't hesitate to explore these settings to see which might be most beneficial for your situation. Once all your options are set and you're feeling confident, go ahead and confirm the export. Xero will process your request and generate a download link or file, depending on your settings. Save this file securely on your computer or an external drive for safekeeping. And there you have it. With those few simple steps, you're now able to back up your Xero data efficiently and with ease. Remember, regular backups are a great practice to keep your financial data secure and accessible whenever you need it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more useful tips on managing your financial tools.